In this video, you'll learn how to get your Deriv referral link. First, visit the Deriv Partners website at deriv.com/partners. Once there, click Login to access your affiliate dashboard using your username and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard homepage. Next, click on the menu icon, 3 lines, in the upper right corner, then select the Marketing tab. On the Marketing page, go to the Media and Gallery section and click the arrow to expand it. Scroll down and select Direct Links. Here, you can choose the language that your visitors will see when they click your link, such as English. You can also filter by brand if needed. Once you find the specific link you want, click on it to open the link details. You'll see your referral link under the landing page URL section. Click Copy to copy the link, which you can now share on different platforms to promote your Deriv affiliate account. This is your official referral link that tracks visitors and signups from your marketing efforts.